taking pictures, videos after a motor vehicle accident. Good morning, I'm attorney Neil Burns. I'm going to talk today a little bit about taking pictures and how important they are for motor vehicle accident cases. I've litigated cases in district courts and superior courts for over 35 years here in Massachusetts, and I can tell you, pictures are critical, they're essential, they're helpful. If you have a bench trial with just a judge or a jury trial, people want to see things. They interpret things from pictures, and you, as an attorney and as a client, can look at the pictures and figure some things out you might not have remembered or you might not have understood. I'm going to show you a couple of pictures that have been really helpful in particular cases. This is a photograph of a motor vehicle accident where a school bus was on the wrong side of the road and crashed into a small vehicle, severely injuring our client, and the driver of the bus insisted that our client had come to his side of the road. Yet if you look at the pictures carefully, and there's many of them, this is only one, the bus was on the wrong side of the road. So his testimony, which he was sticking to, was not going to work in front of a jury, and it enabled us to settle the case because no one was going to believe him. He had no good answer for why he was on the wrong side of the road with a bus, probably distracted. Here's another picture. This is the headlight of a motorcycle. So what does that mean? What does that show us? I mean, it's really not that interesting of a picture, but it's cracked. It's broken. And what happened in that case is our client was a police officer. He was getting off his motorcycle to talk to a driver who he had pulled over, and the driver took off. There was gravel. The gravel broke the headlight. The picture is incredibly telling because a piece of gravel also hit him in the eye. He had taken off his sunglasses because that's what he was trained to do, so he could have a better back and forth with a potential person that he was going to talk to, that he was going to arrest, that he was going to help. He could look them in the eye. And one of the pebbles not only broke the headlight of the motorcycle, but also hit him in the eye, and he had to have a serious surgical procedure called the superficial keratectomy to correct it. Very painful, and because of the pictures, we could dramatically show to a jury how badly injured he was and how fast those rocks were coming up at him. I've got one more here to show today. This is a motor vehicle scene, accident scene, and it happened in suburban Boston. Our client was driving along, stopped to make a left-hand turn. Someone rear-ended her, pushed her into the other lane, and her car was impacted by, not just in the rear, but by a car coming from the other direction. So a double impact, very serious facial injuries. And the multiple pictures we had of the scene enabled us to question the defendant driver and the boyfriend of the defendant driver, they had different testimonies, but the pictures contradicted a lot of what they had to say. It showed the insurance company that they were misleading their attorney, that they were lying, and enabled us to settle that case. Take pictures, take videos, talk to your attorney about it. It's critical. It's really important. If you have any questions, contact us. It's a free initial consultation. If you've been injured, call Burns and Jan, 617-227-7423. Thank you.